Okay. Um, Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about this QS software all-in-one course. Thank you for joining. So, before we start today's session, I will do a small introduction. Uh, I will open my Costech software and I will show you small magic. Okay, so this will be very, very interesting. Okay, so sit back, relax, and watch. I will share my screen, then I will show you a small magic. Okay, so please observe very carefully. I will share my screen. Please give me a moment. Okay, and this is my Costech software. I think you all can see my screen now. Yes. Okay, so this is my Costech software. I'm going to show you a small magic. I will go to file, then I will delete this first project. Then I will go to file again and I will click new and start a new project. Okay, then I will rename this as session one. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, please observe very carefully. This is very, very important. Okay, please understand. Then I will click here. Then I will click default project and I will click insert. Okay, what is time now? It is 8:08. Okay, then I will go to drawing and click on add. Then it will lead me to my local disk. I will click on this Revit file and I will click open. Still 8:08. Okay, boom. This is my Revit model. Okay, so we'll go again and click here. You can see my Revit model here. Okay, this is my Revit model. Now I will click insert. Okay, okay. Now you can see the Revit model like this. Okay, then I will go to dimension and I will click import and I will click on import dimension using BIM template. Then I will click on BIM import Revit general and I will click open. Then all the dimension will be imported into our Costech software. Now time is 8:09. Okay, I only spent 1 minute for this demonstration. Then I will go to workbook. Then I will click on add. Then I will click on generate workbook from dimension groups. Okay, then I will rename this as BOQ and I will click OK. All the quantities will be automatically imported into the software. Okay, I will double click here. Okay, so this is my doors and windows quantities. Okay, then I will go back. Then I will click on these floors. Okay, now I can see quantities here. I only spent 1 minute for this demonstration. Okay, this is the future. This is the future you have to get familiar with. And these are the windows. Okay, like that. You can import all the quantities from that particular Revit model to this Costech software. Okay, not only that, but also you can prepare a BOQ. You can go to reports and click on print workbook to report. Okay, then you can click on BOQ. Then you can click on edit. Okay, then you can go to grouping and you can exclude I and O here. Page layout. Okay, you can remove horizontal lines. Okay, then header. I'll put Tilina here. Okay, then columns. Okay, then you can preview. Likewise, you can put all the quantities into a BOQ like this. Okay, I only spend 3 minutes for this particular task. Guys, can't you hear me? Could you please confirm? Hello.
No, sir, we can hear you.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, I can hear it.
Yeah. Prabodha. Okay, now. Okay. Very good. Then, so this is a small demonstration. Okay. So, uh, now you have realized the importance of this Costex software. Okay. This is very important. You have to learn this in order to merge with the future construction industry. Okay. Then I will stop share this. Okay. Then I will explain a little bit about myself. Okay. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask. If you can't hear me properly, please feel free to tell me. Okay. Okay. Now I will go to my LinkedIn and I will show you my LinkedIn profile. Okay. Then I will explain you about me. Okay. You can see my screen. My name is Tilina Bitaraman. Okay. I'm a 5D BIM quantity survey, BIM specialist. 3D modeling is my specialized area. I'm partner at Global International. So I have a couple of companies. One company is Technosaga City Private Limited. Other company is Tosca International. One company registered in Technosaga City, registered in Sri Lanka, and Tosca International registered in Oman. And I will show you very interesting thing. Okay, instead of having a traditional CV, I have this resume website. Okay, so this website developed by me, and this is a very good insight for you. Okay, please have the resume website instead of regular CV. Okay, then you can market yourself in the industry. Okay, my name is Tirinavitaram. As I said earlier, sorry, I'm technical manager. I'm a lecturer. I'm a researcher, writer. Okay, many things. Okay, if you click on this LinkedIn icon, you can go to my LinkedIn profile. Very simple. If you click on this Facebook icon, you can go to my Facebook. If you click on Instagram icon, you can go to my Instagram. Okay. And this is about me. Um, this is some basic details about Telina Vitharama. Okay. And I have trained actually more than 2000 students up to now. I have to change this. And I have involved in more than 25 projects, 2000 supporting hours, and I have won lot of awards. And these are my skills. I can work with Cubicos 5DB, okay, TES, TRB, and TAB. And I was the technical manager for Graphisoft ArchiCAD, which is the uh, oldest building information modeling software available in the world. Then I can work with PlanSuite, Bluebeam Wave, and Costex. Okay, so these are some skills of mine. And I'm the regional representative of Cubicos 5D software in Middle East region. So I'm an education representative for Cloud Coast. And I worked as a project quantity surveyor for Link Engineering and again project quantity surveyor from for QServe Qatar. Okay, so those are my professional experiences. And this is my project portfolio, and you can see my famous 5DB models. Okay, so this is IIHS campus ongoing project by ICC. So I prepared the BOQ for this particular project. Okay, so this is the 5DB model I have developed. And you know, this is a SoftLogic Glowmark supermarket chain. I prepared the BOQ, and these are some 5DB models of mine. And these are some 3D modeling works of mine, and these are some BIM training. So you can see this is the staff of Sunken Overseas, and this is the staff of the CCMPL, and I have trained the staff of VICM consultants. In fact, I have trained the lecturers of University of Moratuwa with regards to this key because 5D software. And I have trained many people with regards to this key because 5D software. And these are some professional achievements of mine. And this is my technical representative certificate for Cubicos, and these are some certificates for Graphisoft Archicad. I'm the VP membership, Vice President membership of IQSSL Toastmasters Club, and I have won few titles for the club as well. Okay, so these are some details of mine. Okay, so I think you have got some idea about myself, and then I will show you another thing. Okay, I have to further explain about myself because then you can get a very good understanding of me. Okay, so it is very good. It is very important for the credibility. Okay, so this is my country regional representative certificate received from Glodden. Glodden is the fifth the largest software construction software provider in the world. So I am the regional representative for Middle East region. You can see the certificate, and I have done some CPD sessions for II uh, ESL UAE. So you know IESL Sri Lanka. It is the professional body for engineers. Okay, so this is their uh, branch in UAE. So I have done one CPD session for them. And this is CPD session for SLQS Oman. So I think I am the youngest quantity surveyor who did uh, uh, an introductory session uh, for SLQS Oman. I have done one CPD session for building information modeling, and this is CPD session for CyberQS Sri Lanka. And I have organized the first ever BIM competition in Sri Lanka. More than 70 students participated for this particular BIM training BIM competition, and a student from University of Moratuwa won this competition. And this is CP decision for Institute of Quantity Survey Sri Lanka. So I'm doing the digital quantification part for their MEP course. And this is another CPD for Cyber QA. So these are some highlights from my QSSL Toastmasters Club. I have won a couple of titles for the club. And this is training session done for lecturers of University of Moratuwa, as I mentioned earlier, that Conserve Suranga Jayasena, Udayangani Professor Udayangani Kulatunga, Professor Anuradha Samara Jiva, okay, participated for this particular session. And this is a physical session done for the VICM consultants, and this is IJVR valuation firm, Sunken Overseas, CCMPL, and I have trained almost all the consultancy firms and contractors firm in Sri Lanka, Sri Lanka Army, ICC, QServe, CLEG, SEC, Moonstone, BForm, Value Management Services. I have plenty of experience in teaching. And this is key because 5D beam training, and these are some physical training done by me for Oman country service. And this is QS software all in one first batch. 110 students participated for this batch, and this is finally a model for KDU students. And this is my BIM and BIM with Revit and Navisworks course, and I have organized the competition among the students, and I have given valuable gift for the winners. Okay, so I think now you have got a comprehensive understanding about myself. Okay, so this is QS software all-in-one course. Okay, in this course, I will teach PlanShift, Bluebeam, and Costech software. Okay, this is very important. And if you have any questions so far, please feel free to ask. Okay, no questions. I will open PlanShift software and I will demonstrate a little bit about PlanShift software. Okay, then I will explain what I'm going to teach you in this PlanShift training. Most of the people think PlanShift software is a very simple software, but I feel this PlanShift software as a coding software. Okay, so there are a lot of quantity surveying software available in the world. PlanShift, Bluebeam, Costex, Cato, Candy. There are a lot of quantity surveying software available in the world, but this PlanShift software is a very special software. I will share my screen and I will give a small demonstration. Okay, this will be very, very interesting for you. I will share my screen. Please give me a moment. Okay, all right. Um, yes, this is PlanShift software, and I have imported a drawing to this PlanShift software. As I mentioned earlier, this PlanShift software is like a coding software. You can generate how to get installed the software, and will you provide the license version or anything like that practice while having program? Yes, I will provide. Okay, this is the PlanShift software. Okay, many people think this PlanShift software is very simple. Yes, this is simple. Many people think you can use this area function, linear function, segment and count and measure everything. Okay, but this PlanShift software is more than that. Okay, so you can create your own measurement. You can design your measurement. So that is the speciality of this PlanShift software. I will explain you with a simple example. Okay, so we all know how to measure ducts. Okay, so this is a rectangular duct. You can see the width of this duct is 1350. The height of this duct is 400 millimeters. Okay, so if you want to measure this duct, you have to get the area of this duct. Okay, I will explain you by using a section. Please give me a moment. I will go to Google and I will show you a section of a duct. Section of an air duct. It's very simple, okay? So have to just focus and understand this clearly. This is an interactive training, okay? So as you can see in this picture, this is a section of a duct, okay? And this is what? This is the height of the duct. This is the width of the duct, okay? And this is the length of the duct. If you want to get the area of this duct, you have to get the sectional length and you have to multiply it from the length of the duct. Okay, this is the sectional length and you have to multiply it from the length of this duct. Then you can get the area of this duct. Okay, if you understand that particular point, please put the yes message. If you understand that particular point, please put a yes message in the chat box. Very good, Prabodha. Very good, Javed. Okay, so now I will go back to my PlanShift software. Now I'm going to design this measurement. I will go to templates. Then I will go to new tab and I will rename this as MEP class 002. Then I will click OK. Then I will click on new linear. Okay. Now I'm going to measure this duct. Okay. Then I will rename this as duct 21 or something. Then I will click OK. Then I will double click on this duct 21 and I will click on advanced. Okay, so this is the designing area. Okay, now I'm going to design this particular measurement. Okay, I will go to this add property. Then I will insert the parameter. Okay, I need to insert width. Okay, we have to measure the width of this duct now. Then I will add it to estimating and I will click OK. Okay, now you have width. Then what you have to add? You have to add height as well. HEIGHT, height, and click OK. Now we can see height here. Then click here and you have to add sectional length. Sectional length. Okay. LEN. DTH length and click OK. Okay. Then this is width and this is height and this is sectional length. Okay, I will put this sectional length into the top. Okay, then how to get the formula for this sectional length? Okay, what is the formula? 2 into width plus height. Width plus height. Am I correct? 2 into width plus height. Okay, as you can see, this is height. This is height. Two heights here. This is width. This is width. Two widths here. 2 into width plus height. Then you can get this sectional length. Very simple, no? Okay, so this is my sectional length. What is this takeoff? Takeoff means what we are going to measure in the drawing. We are going to measure in the drawing mentioned as takeoff. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, this is the takeoff. This is the length we are going to measure in the drawing. Okay, okay. Then this takeoff should be multiplied with what? Sectional length. Am I correct? Am I correct? Okay. If you understand this scenario, please put a yes message. If you understand this scenario clearly, please put a yes message. Okay. Here we have created sectional length. Height plus width into 2. Okay. This is the sectional length. Takeoff means what we are going to measure in the drawing, the length. Okay. Then we have to multiply this takeoff with sectional length. Then we can get the area. Okay. Understand? Javed, very good. What about others? Anusha, Ishara, Pudugalla, Chanaka, Jayasinghe, Mohammed, Hamdi, Nishan. If you understand this scenario, please put a yes message in the chat box. Very good. Okay. I have very talented students in this batch. Very good. Then I will add some units. Okay, this is square meters, no? Unit is square meters. And this is what? Sectional length, meters. Height, width, meters. Height, meters. Okay, I'm going to add this width and height to my template by picking these two. Okay, then I will go to form layout. Then I will add some units to this width and height. Okay, now this is my measurement template. You have to put width, then you have to put height, then you can measure your quantity very easily. Okay, this is how you have to design measurement. Okay, then I will click OK. Then I will go to home. Then I'm going to measure this. Before start the measurements, you have to scale your drawing. You have to click on scale. Then this is a non-length, no? 6.025. I will click OK, and this is a known length. Okay, I will measure like this. And this is another known length. Okay, I have to click on the scale, and this is 6.2. And I will click OK, here to here, 6.2. Okay, now I can measure. Okay, okay, this is MEP class 02. I will double click on this duct 21, and this is my beautiful template. I have to put my width 1.350. I have to put my height 0.4. Then I have to click OK. then I can measure very easily like this. This is how you have to design the measurement by using this PlanShift software. Many people think this PlanShift software is a very simple software, but this is advanced software and you can design your measurements by using this PlanShift software. Okay, this is your quantity. Very simple. Okay. Now, I will explain what I'm going to teach you in this training. I will go to my PlanShift folder and I will explain what I'm going to do. I will open my note. Okay. I will explain a little bit about this PlanShift software. It's very important for your knowledge. First, I will introduce you PlanShift software, interface of PlanShift software, basic settings, how to import any scale, manual quantification, auto quantification, change management with PlanShift software, report preparation and benefit. That's what I am going to discuss with you. History of the PlanShift software. This is one of the oldest measurement software available in the world. And a lot of companies using this software, more than 60,000 companies using this PlanShift software all over the world. And the importance of PlanShift software, after you learning this PlanShift software properly, you have to you can go to more job opportunities, okay, because a lot of companies using this PlanShift software not only in Middle East region but also in European countries and also Australia, New Zealand, and UK as well. The learning method, I will use this interactive training method. First, I will explain the function, then I will ask you to put a done message in the chat box. Then I will explain the next function. This is the interface of PlanShift software. You can see navigation bar, uh, basic settings, manual quantification. Okay, then take off quantities. Then after that, drawing management area. Then this is very important, page settings area, then template management, after that the working area. Okay, so I'm going to explain you everything in this class. Then how to import a drawing, how to scale a drawing. These things are very simple. Then count function, length function, and area function. Then after that auto quantification, then auto identification function, then change management. Okay, how to compare a couple of drawings and identify the additions and omissions. Those things are very important for post-contract management. Finally, I will explain you about report preparation. Okay, so what are the benefits of this PlanShift software? Easiness of learning. Okay, so this interface is very simple. Okay, with interactive training, you will learn the software bottom to top. Then increase the employability. I have lot of students. Okay, in fact, I have trained more than 500 students with regards to this free software, and lot of people have been able to obtain jobs in this construction industry, not only in Sri Lanka but also in Middle East countries as well. Then the freelance opportunity. In this training, I will explain you about Link. Then I will explain you about Fiverr. Okay. Then there will be lot of opportunities for free. Extremely sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, I will continue with the presentation. Okay, I hope you can see my screen. Then compatibility with Excel software. So you can use this PlanShift software with Excel software and you can prepare the POQs. Then the business opportunities. Okay, as young quantity surveys and as veteran quantity surveys, you have to think about business opportunities. Okay, I'm not big I'm a not big fan of jobs. Okay, I always encourage people to start businesses. Then only we can generate money for our country. Okay, so we can bring dollars from other countries if you start a business. Okay, I always encourage people to start new businesses. Okay, so this is about Plansys software. Then I will show you my note. Okay, after the training, you can go through this comprehensive note. Okay, in this note, I have explained everything. Okay, this is my note. As you can see in this note, this is for substructure. In this note, I have explained about removing trees, site clearance, site preparation, excavation, earthwork support, excavated surplus, rotating excavated material, backfilling, leveling, and surface treatment, everything. Okay, site preparation, excavation, earthwork support, disposal, retaining, leveling and compacting, anti-termite treatment. And at the end of this lecture note, you can see the process. BOQ item is removing trees. Process. Count the tree shapes in the drawing. Plans if method. Use count function and count the trees one by one. Then the remarks. Okay. Everything has explained comprehensively in this note. Okay. Everything. In surface treatment, what is the process? Earthwork support and slab area you have to consider. In footing area also you have to consider the area inside the wall girth has to be calculated using area method. Okay, everything has been explained in this note. Then the special features, how to connect with the Excel with the Plansys software. Okay, so I have explained this step by step in this note. Okay, no need to worry about anything. Okay, you can go through this note and revise your memory very easily. Okay, then how to convert convert existing item to another item using copy and paste method. Okay, step by step with this comprehensive note. Okay, how to create a template. Okay, no need to worry about anything. Everything explained in this note. Okay, now uh, okay, now I will explain you a little bit about Bluebeam GUI software. Okay, Bluebeam GUI software also very interesting software. Okay, uh, I will open. No voice. Can't you hear me properly, guys?
Yes, I can hear.
Javed, what about you? Yeah, Javed, you can confirm. Okay, you can hear. Okay, very good. Okay, now I will open my Bluebeam GUI software. Okay. Bluebeam review software is a very interesting software. Okay, I will share one testimonial with you. Okay, I had one student, Mrs. Tilini Vijayasinghe from Australia, and she joined my course from Australia. Okay, and actually, when I start the class, uh, she joining from Australia. So I do classes 8 p.m. in UAE time. Okay, so she joined. She was joining from Australia from 1 a.m. to 3:30 a.m. Okay, so see her commitment, amazing. And she went for a job interview, and they asked her about Bluebeam to use software. Then they asked her to do one demonstration for them. Okay. And they specifically ask about the auto identification function in this Bluebeam view software. Okay. Based on that, they have given the job opportunity for Tilini. Okay. Actually, you don't realize the importance of this this software. Okay. So please uh, learn this software properly. Okay. Then there will be lot of job opportunities available for you. Okay. Uh, now I will explain you about this Bluebeam G software. This is very special software. Okay. See, this is a drawing. Okay. First, I will explain you about the drawing management part. Actually, this is a very good drawing management software. Okay. So please observe very carefully. I want to get rid of this node. I don't want this node. Okay. I can easily go to this cut content and remove this node from this particular drawing. Okay. See, very simple. Okay. Then see, this is my plan drawing. Okay. And you can see this is my section, one section. Okay. Uh, I need this one section. Okay. I want to see this one section and I want to measure this plan draw drawing. Okay. How I can do that? Okay. This is very simple. I can click on this split vertical and I can split the screen into two parts. Okay, like this. Okay, I can split the uh, uh, window into two parts. Okay, then I can click here and I can click here. Okay, now this is my section. Okay, I can observe this section and I can measure the plan like this. Okay, amazing, isn't it? Okay, then I will click on unsplit, then I can have this one. Okay, but then think you don't like that method. Okay, you want to have this sectional drawing in this area. Okay, what you can do, you can go to your sectional drawing. Okay, then you can click on this snapshot icon, then you can have a small snapshot of this particular drawing, then you can press Ctrl V and you can have that particular section inside this drawing. Okay, then you can see the section and you can measure the plan. Okay, so these are very important tips. Okay, then if you want to mark up this drawing, you can easily do it. Let's say you have to change, you want to change this particular uh, footing. Okay, you can just press C in your keyboard and you can create a cloud. Okay, then you can press A in your keyboard and you can create an arrow like this. Okay, then you can press T and put the text. Okay, change this. Easily you can mark up your drawing by using this Bluebeam View software. Okay, it's amazing. Okay, and let's say you want to measure this quantity. Okay, you want to measure this C6F5. Okay, so you can see the uh, sectional drawing. Okay, in fact, I want to measure the excavation of this footing. Okay, so you can see this is the excavation height, it is 950, and this is your plan drawing. Okay, you can easily measure this volume. You can click here and you can click on this volume. Okay, then subject is excavation. You can label this C6F5. You can label this easily. Then the depth is 0.95 meters. Then length should be in meters, area should be in square meters, volume should be in cubic meters. Okay, then you can easily measure this bad boy. Okay, so this is your quantity. Okay, you can click on this quantity and see your quantity in the measurement sheet like this. Okay, this Bluebeam View software is very important. Okay, this software takes 2.2 market share of construction software available in the world. Okay, lot of foreign companies use this Bluebeam Geosoftware. If you want to obtain a job opportunity in Australia, New Zealand, UK, you must learn this Bluebeam Geosoftware. Okay, think about it. Okay, this is about Bluebeam Geosoftware. Then I will explain you about the Costex software. Okay, I will open my Costex software and I will explain you about Costex training, what you are going to learn in this Costex. This is a comprehensive training, my dear students. Okay, this is not a simple training. I will teach you everything with regards to this software. Okay, this is my Costex software interface. I will delete this first one. Okay, in this training, I will teach you about the substructure first. Okay, I will click on import and I will click on import Costex data. Okay, then I will go to desktop and I will go to this introduction to Costex files. Okay, first I will teach you about the substructure. Okay, substructure. Okay, under substructure, I will teach you everything. Okay, so see, earthwork support, excavation for trenches, pile cap excavation, site clearance, site preparation. Okay, and substructure concrete, ground beam formwork, pile cap formwork, slab concrete. I will teach you everything. Okay, so this is the these are things you learn in this Costex training. Okay, so this is substructure. Okay, I will click on general arrangement of pile caps. Okay, and I will show you the 3D view of these measurements. Okay, I will teach you everything. Okay, there are a lot of Costex programs available in the world, but they only teach the functions. Okay, but I will give you a practical training. Okay, so this is an industrial experience. Okay, I guide you to measure everything within the class. Okay, there are a lot of softwares available in the construction field. Costex, Plansif, Bluebeam, Cato, Candy, lot of measurement software available in the construction field. But why this Costex software is so special? Why the companies have to spend 5,000 USD for this particular software? What is the reason behind it? Main reason is by using this Costex software, you can measure quantities in a speedy manner. In order to maintain the speed, okay, you have to learn this software by heart. Okay, I will teach you all the tricks and I will guide you to measure everything within the class. This is the importance of this training. Okay, I will guide you to measure everything, not only uh, these small uh, items, but also I will teach you every item. Okay, surface treatment as well. Okay, so after measuring everything, I will guide you to prepare the BOQ as well. So this is the BOQ. Okay, so this is substructure. Okay, after the substructure, I will teach you about the superstructure. I will import the superstructure. Okay, this is superstructure. Under superstructure, I will teach you about beam concrete. See, I will measure every beam with you in the class. See, every beam. Then beam formwork, column concrete, column formwork. Okay, then wall, slab, everything. Okay, so this superstructure training also very special. Okay, in the superstructure training, I will teach you all the structural items. Okay, column, beam, slab, concrete wall, uh, uh, then formwork of those elements as well. Okay, everything will be trained in this training program. Okay, that is superstructure. Then after superstructure, I will teach you about the architectural elements. Okay, I'll open this architectural project. Okay, many people think this architectural measurement is very simple. Okay, but you are wrong. Okay, you have to learn about the methods. Okay, I will teach you everything with regards to this architectural measurement. Okay, so this is my architecture model. Okay, wall quantities, finishes, everything. Okay, so this is your architectural training. Okay, you can see the external walls and internal walls. Okay, then I will teach you about the finishes as well. I will show you. Okay, many people think it is very simple to measure architectural elements. You have to just get the polyline and you can finish the task. Okay, it is not true. Okay, see, these are the ceiling measurements. Okay, likewise, you have to measure. Then the skirting, see, then wall finishes, external wall finishes, internal wall finishes. You have to measure them within the class. Okay, then you have to deduct doors and windows. Okay, I will explain you everything within the class. Okay, then MEP measurements. Okay, so this is ACME drawing. Okay, so I will teach you how to measure ducts, duct risers, then air grills. Okay, so I will teach you how to measure these air grills by using auto identification function. Okay, I will introduce you a very interesting method. Okay, in fact, I will show you. Okay, I will delete this. Okay, this is very interesting. Okay, please observe very carefully. Shift, control, click method. Okay, you can see the quantity 30. Okay, I will delete this and I will show it again. Okay, now quantity is 0. Okay, you can press shift, then you have to press control, then click, then you can see the quantity as 30. Okay, so I will teach you everything. Okay, so this is about MEP measurement. Then plumbing. Okay, I will teach you how to measure plumbing elements by using this landscape software. Okay, pipe lens. Okay, then pipe ancillaries as well. Okay, very easy. Okay, I will teach you everything with regards to plumbing elements as well. Okay, then the electrical, as you can see, cable length, cable tray. Okay, cable length, then cable tray measurements. See, cable tray measurements, then lamps, sockets, everything will be covered in this training. Okay, then after that, I will teach you how to prepare the POQ. Okay, you can see, you can click here and click on POQ, then click on edit. Okay, then you can check grouping, extrude INO, page layout, the horizontal line, header, column, footer. Okay, then you can prepare a comprehensive POQ like this. Okay, you can see quantity here, unit here, rate, total. Okay, this is a and comprehensive POQ. You can see collection totals here, carried to summary, everything I will teach you in this cost experiment. Okay, everything. Okay, after learning these three software, okay, you will become very unique in the construction field. Okay, let's say there are 1,000 quantity surveys in this construction field. Okay, then if you have been able to learn these three software, you will be categorized as 100 unique people. Okay, then the recruiters can easily identify you and you can they can give you a job. Okay, it's very important. Think wisely. Okay, not only POQ preparation, but also I will teach you about drawing comparison, rate analysis. Okay, and most importantly, I will teach you about reinforcement measurement. Okay, many, okay, it's very special. Okay, I will show you my reinforcement modeling part. Okay, okay. I have trained lot of people, not only in Sri Lanka, but also in UAE, India, and Australia and New Zealand especially. I had a separate batch for New Zealand quantity survey. Okay, if you want to migrate to another country, you have to follow this course. And you can see, as a quantity surveyor, please remember, you have to maintain accuracy. Okay, you have to uh, maintain clarity, and you have to maintain speed of work, and also you have to present your quantities and present your estimations very well to your supervisors. Okay, see, it is beam, you can see B01 main bars syrups. You can see them separately. Okay, so this is the drawing, and this is how I have measured the beams. Okay, main bar separately, syrup separately. Okay, then this is the column numbers separately, main bar separately, syrup separately. Okay, pile cap, vertical bar separately. Okay, see, slab, wall, horizontal bar separately, vertical bar separately. Okay, likewise, you have to present your quantities very well to your superiors. Okay, so this is all measurements. Okay, you can see in the drawings. Okay, this is how you have to measure. Okay, reinforcement for walls. Okay, so think wisely and make your decision. So this is about Costex training, and this is the comprehensive note of this Costex training. I will show you the note. Okay, I will show you this MEP note. I will give these notes to you. Okay, you can see Costex substructure, Costex superstructure, Costex architectural, and Costex MEP. You can see pipe length, pipe pressure, pipe pencil release, ramp, point wiring, cable tray, wire length, HVAC equipment, HVAC connection, ducts, duct risers, and everything has been explained step by step. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Okay, after finishing the lecture, you can go through this lecture note and revise all the things very easily. Okay, then after completing this course, you have to do an assignment. Okay, I will show you Mr. Janak Edirisingha's assignment. Mr. Janak Edirisingha is a veteran quantity surveyor from Blair and Anderson, UAE. Okay, so you can go to Mr. Janaka's LinkedIn profile and you can see uh, his experience. Okay, he's a veteran quantity surveyor, and I will show you his assignment. Okay, because if you are a young quantity surveyor, he's a very good example for you. He's a veteran quantity surveyor, more than uh, 20 years of experience in the construction field, and he has a staff. Okay, even foreign people work under him, but he gave this commitment to this course. Okay, you can see overall performance is 100%. This is the BOQ of Mr. Janaka, comprehensive BOQ. And he attached all the markup drawings in this assignment. See, columns, wall plates, timber beam, then plumbing elements. Okay, everything. Very good commitment for a veteran quantity surveyor. See, and finally, he attached the assumption sheet as well. Okay, if you are a young quantity surveyor, you have to learn this. Okay, you have to give this commitment if you want to grow as a quantity surveyor in this construction arena. See, this is the certificate you will obtain after finishing this course. And this is Miss Janaka's certificate, and this is the QR code. Okay, I will upload this QR code, your assignment to my website, and I will create a QR code. Okay, then recruiters can scan your QR code and see your assignment. Based on your performance, they can recruit you for the job. Okay, so after finishing the course, you will get this valuable certificate from Technozaga City and Tusker International. Okay, so uh, then I will show you another interesting story. Okay, because this is very important. Uh, you have to take this very seriously. Okay, so this is my final presentation. Okay, this final presentation, I will give you some advices. Okay, if you are a young quantity surveyor, this will be very, very important for you. Okay, this is the final presentation. Okay, I hope you all can see my screen. Still you can't, no? Okay, now It is CEB course or not? Yeah, this is CEB course. So we are going to give you the certificate collaboratively with CEBS. Okay. And this is why learning the digitalization important for quantity survey. Okay. So be prepared for future challenges. Okay. So you have to learn these digital technologies in order to prepare for future challenges. Okay. Now industries slowly and solidly move into digitalization from the traditional method. Okay. In 2000, in 1990s, okay, all the quantity surveys use manual methods. Okay, then with the introduction of uh, AutoCAD and Excel, they have adapted to AutoCAD and Excel. Okay, then quantity surveying software introduced like PlanShift, Costex. Okay, then people adapt to those quantity serving software. After that, now this is the BIM era. Okay, now you can get you receive your designs as 3D models. Okay, in order to survive in the future construction industries, you have to get familiar with these new technologies. Then go abroad for profession. Okay, if you are a Sri Lankan quantity survey, if you are willing to go abroad for profession, you have to learn these software. You have to engage with digital technologies. Then only you can go for job opportunities. Then the APC interviews. Recently, I have trained one quantity survey from Oman, Mr. Chulendra Aruna, and recently he sat for APC interviews for IQSSL. Okay. Then the interviewers asked specifically about building information modeling from him, and he thanked me personally uh, with the knowledge he got from Kibigo's 5D BIM training. He has been able to answer those questions with confidence. Okay, if you want to attend for these ABC interviews, okay, you have to have a solid knowledge in these digital technologies. Then start a new businesses. Okay, if you are a young quantity surveyor, okay, please think this very clearly. If you want to have financial freedom in your life, you must start a new business. Think hard. Then go abroad for higher education. Lot of students from Australia and New Zealand contacting me for trainings. Okay, sometimes I do one-to-one training. Sometimes I do trainings for groups. Okay, because uh, in their curriculums they have to uh, do some assignments by using this Costex software and Adobe and Planset. Okay, so very important. Then, can you please explain after complete course certificate validity? Mr. Jasinger, you can get the certificate from CEBS. Okay, so you can ask Mrs. Udani about the validity of their certificate. Okay, then click. This is you can see this is this metaverse. You can see uh, the metaverse introduced by Facebook company. Okay, now world is moving to these new technologies. Okay, so this is uh, virtual reality. Okay, in future world there will be no Facebook. Okay, so you can go to this metaverse and you can maintain a character in this metaverse. Okay, this is the technology you have to get familiar with. Okay, And you can see in this picture, this is the NEOM project. Okay, they will definitely use these new technologies to construct this particular building. Okay, the line project. Okay, and this is the ring project. They will definitely use building information modeling and these new technologies in order to create this ring project as well. And this is Australian Olympics. Okay, now they have started the construction, and there will be lot of opportunities for construction professionals uh, in this Brisbane Olympics as well. And this is our Port City project. This Port City project. So I have big hope for this Port City project. If they start the construction again, then there will be lot of opportunities for Sri Lankan quantity surveyors in this as well. Then be mindful and think out of the frame. As quantity surveyors, you have to think very carefully. So you have to practice mindfulness. Okay, then uh, you can improve your efficiency of work. Okay, so I'm big fan of mindfulness. So you can practice mindfulness while walking, while uh, cutting. Okay, while singing as well. Okay, do everything with the correct uh, mindset. Okay, so this is the base of mindfulness. Okay, if you practice mindfulness, okay, you can do everything perfectly. Then think out of the frame. Okay, please don't think about professional boundaries. Okay, please overcome professional boundaries. Okay, then only you can develop yourself in order to merge with the future construction industry and engage with new technologies. Okay, so this is building management system, and you can see this is robotic technology. And if you are a quantity surveyor, you have to learn about programming languages as well. Okay, for this is for future. And as I explained earlier, I have developed my resume website by using these programming languages. Okay, so you can also learn programming languages and develop many things. And you can see these are some software, Revit, uh, SketchUp. You can see data management softwares, and you can see many softwares in this list. Okay, please learn these softwares. Okay, then you will have more opportunities. And Fiverr, this is very important. Okay, this is see in this picture you can see uh, a work of one of my student, Dushan Costa from University of Morocco. Okay, so he developed this model by using SketchUp technology. Okay, then he has been able to earn money in Fiverr. Okay, so in this lecture series, I will teach you about the Fiverr, Upwork, and freelance as well. Okay, then you can create a Fiverr profile and you can start earn money from Fiverr as well. Then having knowledge is not enough. You have to market your knowledge. Then only you can get the proper value for your knowledge. Okay, so you have many platforms, LinkedIn, to market yourself. Okay, so please create a proper LinkedIn profile. Okay, then you can post about you and your achievement. Okay, then uh, it will be very important you to get more opportunities. Okay, then have a proper CV. So I have given you one insight. Okay, instead of this PDF CVs, you can create a virtual CV like mine. Okay, so it is also very important. And the communication skills. Okay, if you want to improve your communication skills, please join Toastmasters International. So we have YQSSL Toastmasters. So I am the Vice President membership. So you can contact me and you can join for YQSSL Toastmasters Club as well. Then you can improve your communication skills as well. Okay, so that's it. Uh, uh, so I think you have got a very good understanding about this training. I have trained a lot of people, and you can go through LinkedIn, and you can see their testimonials, and they have shared their certificates in LinkedIn. So you can contact them, and you can ask their stories, and I will share one uh, story with you. Okay, so I had a student in previous batch. His name is Nata Muhammad. Okay, just 20 years old, and he has completed his degree, I think, from Horizon campus. Okay, 20 years old. Okay, then he followed my course and followed my instruction clearly. Okay, he prepared his LinkedIn profile, and I will show you his LinkedIn profile. Okay, so this is very good example for you. Okay, if you follow my guidance properly, okay, then you can achieve many things. Because I have worked with lot of students, okay, and I have seen their stories. Okay, so this is Nata Muhammad, and he followed my instruction and created his LinkedIn profile like this. This is the cover photo, and this is the profile picture, and you can see this is the description of Nata Muhammad. Okay, and you know what? After following Plan Shift software, he posted his work in LinkedIn. Okay, then Canadian company contacted him and gave him job opportunity. Okay, and they asked him to work under their company for 2 months remotely. Then they promised him to give working visa in Canada for a quantity surveying job. Okay, so this is Nata Muhammad, and I will show his message as well. Okay, he's very good student of mine. Today also Nata messaged me. I will show you his message. Okay, this is Nata Muhammad. It's very good story for you. Okay, I want to show his message. Okay, then you will inspired by this. Okay, okay. See, hi brother. I want to thank you because I got an opportunity to work remotely for a Canadian startup because of Plan Shift. The startup told me once I keep working with them for a couple of months, they will sponsor me to Canada to work there. Okay, so this is the story of Nata Muhammad. Okay, then this is Tilini Vijay Singh from Australia. Recently, he got the job. Okay, Sasanka Vijay Singh. Okay, Sasanka, see, Sasanka Vijay Singh. See, I got a job offer. Wow, I'm happy. Your commitment is amazing, Mrs. Tilini. Thank for you for this class. Okay, so she has been able to got job in Australia, and I will show you some UAE. testimonials as well. This is Bhavishan. Okay, and this is very funny story. Sure. Um, Hi, yeah. Thank you for teaching. Now these softwares are on fingertips. I got a job as quantity surveyor in Arco Turnkey Solutions UAE. Okay, here they are using Plansys software. Very easy to me. And you know what? His supervisor also my student. See, your senior is also my student. Okay, this Bhavishan senior also my student. Uh, she is Mituani. Okay, he is my because Spider-Man student. Okay, so there are a lot of success stories. I will share a few of those stories. And the course fee and starting dates. Actually, this is I conduct this course collaboratively with CECP. Okay, and you can contact Mrs. Sudani for course fee and starting date is 2nd of September. For course fees, please contact Mrs. Sudani. She is the coordinator for CECP. Okay, recognized institution in Sri Lanka. They have conducted a lot of courses. Uh, so my company is collaboratively working with her company. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to ask. Okay. Okay. Change your game with this QS of all-in-one course. Okay. This will be amazing experience for you. I will teach you about the software, and most importantly, I will teach you about how to create a LinkedIn profile, how to market yourself in LinkedIn, and how to get foreign job opportunities. Okay, I have got some insights from my students as well, especially these Australian students. They have shared some insights with me how to obtain a job in Australia. Okay, I have trained a lot of college surveys in UAE as well. Now, few of them has migrated to Australia and New Zealand as well. Yeah, the course. Yeah, what is the duration of the course? Okay, 2 months. Okay, and I will conduct 16 classes, and I will cover more than 40 hours. Uh, I will conduct this course on Saturdays and Tuesdays, 8 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. UAE time. Okay, and I will provide you all the recordings. And I have pre-recorded video system as well. Okay, and I have LMS, Learning Management solution as well. Yeah, I will make sure you all will learn this software and finish the assignment. And if you are really talented and if you have other qualifications, you can easily go for prestigious jobs as well. Can you show again final certificate? So actually, this is uh, Tusker plus TechnoSaga City certificate. Okay. Um, Actually, I don't have the CEBS certificate, so you have to ask Mrs. Sudani about that certificate. Okay, so this is my certificate. I'll show you. Okay. Mm, see, this is one student posted her certificate in LinkedIn. You can see successfully completed cost expensive blueprint. Heartiest gratitude to Mr. Selina Vitarana. Okay, this is the certificate. Okay, so you can see many of my students because last batch I had 110 students. I think all of them has posted their certificate in LinkedIn. You can go through the LinkedIn and find it out. Can how can get the copy of software practice home? Yeah, I will provide you uh, Planswift and Bluebeam. Then I will provide you university ID and university email to get Costech software. I have been working with the aluminum subcontractor company after completing my training. I don't have experience in civil and MEP. Will it be a problem? I have 4 years experience in aluminum and glass industry. I will teach you from the basic level, my dear. Okay, nothing to worry about. It means two certificate. No, you will only get uh, CECP certificate. Okay, but I can talk with Mrs. Sudani and provide you my certificate as well. I have to talk with her about that. Is there any BIM courses? Yeah, I have trained more than 2,000 students with regards to this key because I had BIM training program. Okay, you see, many people learn Revit software, okay, as a BIM tool, okay, but this Revit software for engineers and architects, okay, so you are a quantity surveyor. So what is the uh, uh, main quantity beam software for quantity surveys? It is Cubicos 5D beam. So I'm conducting that program as well. After finishing this QA software all-in-one program, you can join for that beam program as well. Is she Mrs. Sudani? Yeah, yeah. Mrs. Sudani is the coordinator for CPS. Is there a minimum requirement for our desktop laptops use software copies? Actually, i3 with 4 GB RAM would be enough. What is mean of 5dB? Oh, very interesting topic. Okay. So there are 5 dimensions of building information modeling. Okay. 2D, 3D, 4D, 5D, and 6D. Okay. So 2D means 2D drawings and information management. 3D means 3D model plus information management. 4D means time plus 3D model. Best example is if you create your construction program by using Primavera or MS Project, you can merge that particular construction program with the 3D model and you can simulate your 3D model with the program. So that is the best example for 4D BIM. 5D BIM is cost plus 3D model. Okay, so this key because 5D BIM software is a uh, 5D BIM software. Okay, so you can generate a 3D model and you can extract quantities from that 3D model and this you can do cost estimating but by using that 3D model. Okay, so that is 5D BIM. 50 BIM is sustainable, sustainability plus 3D model. So we discuss about energy management, energy modeling in this 6D BIM and we have 7D BIM and 8D BIM as well. 7D BIM instance facilities management plus 3D model, 8D BIM as uh, safety management plus 3D modeling. Okay, so that is about building information modeling. Will software support for Mac or will need to Windows device? You have to have a Windows device. All three software in 5D category. Yeah, building information modeling is a platform actually. Okay, so we can categorize each of the softwares under building information modeling. Even you can use Excel in building information modeling platform. Okay, so it is a vast area. Okay, if you're willing to learn, you can join for my key because by living class, or you can go through the internet and find those information sites. Okay, guys. So if you have further questions, I will put my number in the chat box. Okay, you can contact me anytime. Okay, I'm available in WhatsApp. I have couple of numbers. I have Oman number and Sri Lankan number. I will give you my Sri Lankan number. 705699. Okay. Okay, guys. We had a great time. Okay. I hope you learned a lot from today's class. Oh, you need my Oman number. Okay. Plus 968. Yes. Right now I'm in Sri Lanka, but I was in Oman for last couple of years. I came for vacation, and will go back Oman on 4th of September. 99649231. Okay, so you can call me. Uh, yeah, I will put my Oman number. Okay, this is my Oman number. And this is my Sri Lankan number. Okay, so full cost fee duration, please before close the chat. Yeah, you can ask cost fee from Mrs. Sudani, and duration is 2 months. Okay, 16 weeks, 40 hours. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, please contact me via WhatsApp, and you can email me as well. I will put my email ID as well. You can contact me my personal email ID. Selina Erika Herrera at gmail.com. Or you can contact me direct at Tosca International. Okay, national.com. Okay, guys. Your lecturer of Sir John Kotlawal Defense University, and can we join us so that future studies after completing this course? Yeah, I have done some lectures for KDU. I did final year B module for KDU last year. So yeah, you can join for future studies after completing this course. Okay, guys, thank you very much for your kind participation. I will upload this to my YouTube channel as well. Okay, thanks again. Bye bye. Good night. Okay, so if you have further questions, please contact me via my mobile number and Oman number. Okay, bye bye. Yeah, good night, Safrin. Good night, Nimish. Yeah, Nishan. Okay, guys.